Meanwhile, parents of students across Licking County are facing some COVID-related changes or in some cases cancellations. 10 TV's Lindsay Mills has more on the mask policy changes at some districts and why another had to close its doors.
No classes here today, and for the entire Licking Valley School District, the superintendent says that's because staff are out sick, not just with COVID.
Wind rattling the flagpole is the only sound you can hear on this high school campus. It's also quiet nearby at the middle and elementary schools. Students and staff did return after winter break, but not for long.
We knew we had people positive for COVID, but we also have people with the flu. We had people testing positive for flu A, flu B. There's a lot of sinus infections, more sinus infections than I think I've ever heard of.
Dr. David Heil is the superintendent of Licking Valley Schools. He says they did not have enough staff to keep the doors open Monday. When it comes to masks, the district's policy has not changed. Right now, masks are optional.
We'll see what happens when we get back into school here and what happens with the cases. And if we feel like we need to do that, we will.
Meanwhile, mask policy changes did take effect Monday at 2 other school districts in Licking County. According to the Granville Schools website, masks are required now and for the next 2 weeks at least. Parents can expect an update from the superintendent by January 21st. In Licking Heights, according to a letter to parents, masks are now required for anyone in the buildings. That includes fans at extracurricular and athletic events. Also, according to that letter, analysis of community data show some of the highest rates of community spread in central Ohio.
We anticipated a rise after the holidays. It's kind of a perfect storm now with Omicron circulating here in central Ohio.
Licking County Health Commissioner Chad Brown says tests are in high demand and the department is hopeful it can provide more soon.
We have an order for 10,000 test kits into the state. I'm not sure when those are going to come in yet. We're partnering with Licking Memorial Health Systems to distribute those, and as soon as they come in, we'll get them out the door, but we're hopeful to get them anytime.
The department is also focusing on vaccination efforts, especially for children. Starting Tuesday, the health department will begin offering booster shots for ages 12 and older. It's also providing specific, localized data to help school districts make necessary decisions.
And we'll do what we can to keep them open.
The Licking Valley superintendent says classes are also canceled Tuesday and they'll reassess after that. In Licking County, Lindsay Mills, 10 TV News.